Hello class 12th. So after the electric potential difference, then afterward electric potential due to a single point charge V equals to kq upon r. Then afterward electric potential due to an electric dipole, we see the variety of derivations, and we know that the particular potential is depend inversely on the distance. But you seen the same pattern in the first chapter. First of all, we calculate the force for a single point, then multiple point, then field for a single point, then multiple point, then dipole, and all these things. So same kind of thing we are also, so same thing we also follow here. So in the last derivation, we know that the electric potential due to a dipole is also depend electric dipole moment, and we already derived the particular formula about the axial line and equatorial line, where the particular potential is 0 and somewhere is a maximum. So all these things is just depend on the distance. But today in this video lecture, dear students, we are going to just increase our knowledge to study about इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू अ सिस्टम ऑफ चार्जेस. अब इस टॉपिक में होना क्या है, पहले हमने पोटेंशियल एक पॉइंट पर एक सिंगल पॉइंट के रीजन से निकाला, फिर एक डायपोल के रीजन से निकाला. डायपोल के अंदर हमारे पास वैरायटी थी, वन इज़ अ पॉजिटिव चार्ज, वन इज़ अ नेगेटिव चार्ज. नाउ इन दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक वी हैव अ वैरायटी ऑफ चार्जेस. हमारे पास एन नंबर ऑफ चार्जेस एंड सपोज दीज आर n number of charges q1, q2, q3 up to qn, and all due to all we have to find the potential at a particular point. तो ये particular concept हमारी derivation का है. तो सबसे पहला step क्या रहने वाला है, हम कंसीडर करेंगे n नंबर ऑफ चार्जेस, और इन n नंबर ऑफ चार्जेस के एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट P से डिस्टेंस डिफरेंट है, r1 r2 अप टू rn रेस्पेक्टिवली. देन वी ऑलरेडी हैव, हमने आधा काम कर चुके हैं, हमने मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट काम कर लिया है पहले के वीडियो लेक्चर के अंदर. वी ऑलरेडी नो दैट जो हमने ये काम हमने इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू डायपोल में भी किया था. हमारे पास एक सिंगल पॉइंट चार्ज का इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल है V इक्वल्स टू के क्यू अपॉन आर. उसी फॉर्मूले को हम इस पर्टिकुलर डिफरेंट मल्टीपल चार्जेस के लिए अप्लाई करेंगे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर Q1, then Q2, then Q3 and Qn. Then afterward we have a very important principle for myself. एक लर्न करने के तरीके से आई टोल्ड दिस प्रिंसिपल इज सुपरमैन प्रिंसिपल. यस, डेफिनेटली सुपरपोजिशन प्रिंसिपल. और कुछ नहीं करना है, हमें सारे जो डिफरेंट चार्जेस के पोटेंशियल्स हैं उनको ऐड ऑन करना है. देन आफ्टरवर्ड वी गेट द टोटल पोटेंशियल due to a system of charges. So get ready to perform a particular derivation for electric potential due to a system of charges. Now look at this particular derivation. In this we have to consider one particular point P. सबसे पहले हमने point P को consider किया है, and we have consider n number of charges here. Suppose Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 up to Qn. Then afterward they have a different distance from the point P. One is placed at r1 distance, then r2 distance, then r3 distance, then r4 distance and up to rn distance. अलग अलग डिस्टेंस पर यहाँ पर आपके डिफरेंट चार्जेस प्लेस हो रखे हैं. नाउ इनके डिस्टेंस P पॉइंट से हमने ऑलरेडी कैलकुलेट कर लिया है. नाउ सी दिस, suppose n point charges Q1, Q2, Q3 up to Qn lie at the distances r1, r2, r3 up to rn from point P. Now करना क्या है, बहुत सिंपल सा काम है. Now we know that electric look at here electric potential at point P due to Q1 चार्ज. ठीक है, मीन्स क्या निकल रहा है कि आपको अब Q1 चार्ज को P पॉइंट पे कोई चार्ज होगा और Q1 चार्ज को इस पर्टिकुलर P पॉइंट पर लेके आना है. तो उसके लिए कितना पोटेंशियल होगा? वी नो दैट इट इज से V1 इक्वल्स टू K Q1 अपॉन R1, और वी कैन ऑल्सो से दैट 1 अपॉन, और यू कैन ऑल्सो से Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R1. Give the equation number 1. Simple, so simple. Similarly, for Q2 charge, the potential is V2. We can say K Q2 upon R2, or Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R to give the equation number 2. Now same for up to Qn charge, the potential is Vn, will be K Qn upon Rn will be equals to, or we can also write Qn upon 4 pi epsilon naught up to Rn. Give the equation number 3. And because we know that the electric potential is a scalar quantity, so here we can apply the superposition principle, and interestingly, and we know that because it is a scalar quantity, so the net electric potential will be the algebraic sum of individual charges. Look at it how. So by Superman means superposition principle, we can write the total potential is the sum of V1 algebraic sum. There are two types of sums. There are vectorical sum and algebraic sum. But here we have to see algebraic sum. Okay. Why? Because scalar quantity. Which one? Electric potential. Now, so by the equation number first, second, and third, we place the value here. Or we can say up to Vn. So we have to place the value. V1 is Q1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R1, Q2 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R2, similarly Q3 upon 4 pi epsilon naught R3 up to Qn upon 4 pi epsilon naught Rn. Now we can easily summarize V equals to, here the one thing is common, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Now here we can note down Q1 upon R1, then Q2 upon R2 plus Q3 upon R3 up to Qn upon Rn. Now here we can also note down this K. Now sign of summation I initial start from 1 up to n, so Qi upon Ri. So this is a particular इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल ड्यू टू अ सिस्टम ऑफ चार्जेस. देखिए अब इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल, पहले चैप्टर में इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स, फील्ड, फ्लक्स कंप्लीट. यहाँ पर इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल सिंगल पॉइंट के लिए, डायपोल के लिए, सिस्टम के लिए कंप्लीट. नाउ सी द पैटर्न. पहले फोर्स पे काम किया, फिर फील्ड पे काम किया, फिर फ्लक्स पे काम किया. सो दैट द रीज़न दिस इज़ अ वेराइटी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोस्टेट. Okay, so look at the derivation once again. Is a very easy derivation because हमें कुछ नहीं है. सिंगल पॉइंट चार्ज का हमने पहले जो फर्स्ट डेरिवेशन करी थी वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, उसको ध्यान रखिएगा, और उसके बाद तो ये ईजीएस्ट डेरिवेशन हो जाएगी आपके लिए. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. नाउ लुक एट हियर द न्यूमेरिकल. A regular hexagon of side 10 cm has a charge of 5 microcoulomb. At each of its vertices, calculates the potential at the center of the hexagon. So look at here solution part. First of all, we can draw a one particular hexagon like that. Okay, so this is a particular hexagon, and all its particular vertices like here, like here, like here, like here, like here, and like here, there are 5 microcoulomb charges placed. Here also 5 microcoulomb, here also 5 microcoulomb, here also 5 microcoulomb, here also 5 microcoulomb, and here also 5 microcoulomb. Now already given that the hexagon of a side is 10 centimeter, okay, and we have to calculate the potential at a center, means this one point. So we can see that here this is a particular center. At the center we have to find out the potential. So now we know that this in particular uniform regular hexagon, to this side also be at 10 centimeter and this will also be 10. So this particular numerical is belong to the concept of electric potential due to a system of charges. Please remember, system of charges का ये particular numerical है. So now we have to find out the potential. Now what is given here? Charge also given, Q will be equals to 5 microcoulomb. We can also write 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 coulomb. Okay. Now we have a formula. So potential at the center, O is, we have a formula V equals to we have to take K of sigma I equals to 1 up to n Qi upon Ri. Okay, this we derive. So look at here, in this particular regular hexagon, how many sides are there? There are the 6 sides. Okay, so now, and all particulars, there are the 1 2 3 4 5 6 vertices are there. So here that means 6 charges are there. So the electric potential at the center O will be V equals to 6 times of K Q upon R. Okay, now we can multiply. We know the value of K will be 9 into 10 raised to the power 9, and this will be Q is given 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. Okay, upon distance given is a 10 centimeters, so we have to convert in meter, so it will be look like that. So now here we can say potential V will be equals to 6 and 9, this one 45 multiplied by 6 into 10 raised to the power 3 upon 10 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. We multiply 45 by 6, so it will be 27 something. So 270 into 10 raised to the power 3 into 10 raised to the power here minus 2 and then plus 1 minus 1, then upper side plus 1 also. So we can write 27 into 10 raised to the power 4. So here V will be equals to, maybe we can just note down the order of 10. So it will be, we shift this point, so it will be here. So 2.7 into 10 raised to the power 6 volt. So this is a particular final answer. Okay.